Meaning of Goretex.
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 Goretex. Goretex is a waterproof and breathable fabric membrane used in outdoor clothing and equipment. The membrane contains pores that are smaller than water droplets, preventing them from penetrating through while still allowing moisture to escape. This makes Goretex highly effective for use in wet weather conditions, as it keeps the wearer dry and comfortable. Goretex was invented by Wilbert L. Gore and Robert W. Gore in 1969 and has since been used in a wide range of products such as hiking boots, jackets, and gloves. It has become a popular choice among outdoor enthusiasts and athletes.